Alright, we're at the kayaking place, getting ready to go kayaking. Y'all, I'm over here nervous because I'm just like, every other time I've gone kayaking, it's been real simple. Like, hey, just put your bag here and go on. We're like having this whole like conversation. And I'm like, wait a minute, it's like whitewater kayaking. So, okay, I can see the kayaks from here, but it's a river. I think I've only been kayaking on lakes, so maybe that's the difference. But they definitely keep warning us about getting our stuff wet. And I'm just like, but the last time I didn't get anything wet. What are we doing? Nerd. But I'm excited though, so. All right, got my paddle. Me and Adrian are going together. We are ready. Because y'all know I wasn't going myself. Luckily, Adrian was like, yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Yeah. I was like, ooh. Be the last one in the back, like, oh, help, guys.
Now we'll both be the last one. So we make something like that. Because here there is like... are
we going downstream, downhill?
It's like that. So at the beginning, we'll be more...
You're singing. That's pretty dope. For the tree anyway. Okay. All right, I made it back. We made it back. Me and the haphazard traveler. Oh, we didn't even pick up our paddles. We were like, all right, bye y'all. Thanks.
Have a nice rest of your day.
Thank you too. All right, we made it back.
It was amazing.
It was great.
I'm so glad we did that.
I mean, we were out there like Power Rangers.
Y'all were gonna lead tourists.
Yeah. Yeah, we're the last coming up because we had to, you know, make sure everybody got in safely. So, you know.
Good job, team.
Yeah, good job, guys.
It's not really safe with you guys right next to
Yeah, did you? Yeah, that's what we do. That's what we do.
I like to check on you.
Yeah. Pretty much Power Rangers over here, you know? Yeah, Avengers, whatever, you know? All right, I made it back in one piece. Pretty dry, relatively dry, but in one piece.